Are you a lazy bum this morning? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Are you being a lazy bum? You being lazy? Do you want to go watch the cars? Do you want to go watch the cars? Come on then. Come on. Little Miss Attitude. Should we go watch the cars? Come on. Come on then. Come on. We'll watch the cars instead, okay? Okie dokie.